We did everything, and they got the points. We slept in a throwing, totally sleeping in the first goal. They scored. We had many chances. When you don't kill the team like Mumbai with the chances we get, they scored. Then we start to be a little bit in hurry. Second half we got them in their half all the time, but still like in hurry, only looking for hynrei all the time, not trying the other options. Well, the most important is to go forward and proud for the game we do, for the play we did, and looking forward for the next game.
Coach, it seems it was a game of...
The second half, we got them in their area. The problem is we were not shooting at all. We tried to go with the ball inside the game. We had a chance to cross. We were not crossing. You know, sometimes some players got fourth yellow, who was thinking more. Next game I'm not playing. Instead to be calm and just think about the game. That's some players that's lack of calmness, of experience that give that. But well, most important that we face a very, very good team. We could draw or win. We didn't, but we're proud back home and looking forward for the game.
There were a lot of expectations.
Wrong. The only thing went wrong is we lost the game. We played, we fight, we had the chances, and we didn't score. That's the only thing was missing, scoring the goal. If you consider it as a failure, it's your opinion, it's not mine. We need to be proud of the team, proud of the players. Thank you to the fans of Shillong. They were great, fantastic. Sorry for the result, but they need to be held up and proud of the team they have. We need to be proud. It's not a failure, it's the contrary. Let's look where we are. After the Durand Cup, everybody was saying, oh, this team will go up and up. Nah, Northeast, nothing. We're playing face to face against the best teams and competing. And that's the most important. And still games to go. Let's be proud of the players, not criticize.
But the team all.
Do you think you've been overconfident on front of Mumbai? German. I don't know what you mean about with overconfidence. I really don't know. We've been fighting. We could score before they score. We couldn't, and that's it. You're giving me, you're telling me what to do. Let's change position. I will become journalist, and you will become coach. Okay? After the game, there are 40 million coaches. Be a coach before the game. Okay? My decision was not to change because the players were doing very well. Okay, I'll put Partey. Change who? Tell me, you're the coach.
Probably.
He was doing very well. He was going 1v1. He's the only one who was coming, receiving between the lines. Tell me, another one.
I think.
Tell me. It's easy to talk. You understand? We are lucky of calmness. Everybody, you need to win, you need to win, you need to win, win. A few months ago, we have a very short memory. A few months ago, we were very happy drawing. Very, very happy. Today, you're complaining because we had chances against Mumbai and we didn't win. Such a short memory. Let's step back and look. Come on. If not, it's better to say, it's enough. We don't do more. Be proud of your team. Okay? You were the first one who criticized me that Partey didn't do nothing last game. Yes, the press conference. Yes. And today, you're telling me I should put Partey. I am the one on the side who goes in, who cannot go in. Okay? Today was not a game to change for the others. Today was the game any change. And what will happen? I will lose this one, players this one, and I lose players for the next one. This is why I'm sitting in this chair, and you're sitting here. Okay?
Coach,
Fast. The grass was very, very fast. You see, both teams was not easy to play. I told them, please don't put too much water because the grass is so fast, and they put a lot